Umang, a district-level Grameen Mela on 10th and 11th October with exhibition, product promotion, market research and creating financial and social awareness among the rural masses.
Participating sectors are FMCG, insurance, consumer durables, automobiles, microfinance, fertilizers, rural and agro industries.
Venue Balipatna, Umang, revamping rural India, an IMIS initiative.
Exclusive radio partner Big 92.7 FM.
Fantastic outcome of this event by the students of IMIS. We had made it for 2 days, 10th and 11th, now thinking of extending it till 12th because the crowd has pulled in a big way. Very true, sir. The promotions which has been carried out by the students of IMIS has given results. People from the villages across Balipatna are now coming in to see what actually this rural marketing Mela Umang is all about. And we have a lot of sponsors from corporates, starting from PPL to Ruchi to LIC to IFCO to Piaggio's, Freedom Automobiles to Jyoti Motors, who have also displayed Maruti products with ITC. Then you have Tata Motors, who are our principal sponsors. You have Videocon, you have small people who have helped us in a big way, like Shankar Vastalay, Kala Mandir. Rotary has given us their help in helping in looking into cataract operations for rural people, and our main media partners Big 92.7 have covered extensively for this program and they have supported us in a big way. So what we feel is this is just the beginning of IMIS Rural Marketing Mela.
Yeah, of course, the feeling is delightful, and you can see all these products of PPL is just demonstrated here, and we are giving all. I am getting a practical exposure to how to demonstrate our product to our consumers, and I'm feeling well, and I'm feeling so happy to be a part of rural marketing.
How Pratik, you are feeling in the
Actually,
PPL?
you know, this stall is really an exposure for the farmers, where they can get which fertilizer is better for them, so that they can use this according to their soil. So here we are mainly giving them, you can say we are mainly preaching them how to cultivate and how they should go.
We are sold out. We were sold out yesterday. Our juices were finished yesterday only. Now we are left with this new product of Ruchi. And some of these masalas.
Perception for village totally changed. Today village people are also adopting different things which are being sold only in the cities now in the previous past.
If you will buy 2 sunrise, then you will get a lima soap absolutely free.
It's really a nice experience while getting in conversation with them, because they are Odia, and we do not know that language, but we just conveyed our message in Hindi, and it was a good response from them.
No, it is not a good job. Everyone has contributed lots of things in this to success this event. But according to me, what I expect from everybody, all has contributed 100% in this work, and everyone, Devanshu also, and everyone. And but everyone has to bring one company. I have brought this company Piaggio, and through this I have got the experience that how to negotiate to the owner or director of the company to bring a company in to success events.
Okay, now come to the one of. Oh, how was your experience?
It was fine, very fine, interactive experience with working with a prominent salesperson, and we have got a lot of exposure in automobile sector.
Great.
And it's thanks to Mr. Tanmay De, who has given the opportunity to do this thing.
And you can see all the products are out of stock right now, and this is the home section where you got agarbattis, where you have got Homelight. As you all know, Homelight is a famous brand, and we have got Mangaldeep. Then it comes the shampoo, and you have a toiletry section where you have shampoos, soaps you have for Superior shampoos you have shampoo Superior, you have Vival. Snacks you have special, you have got Sunfeast, Dream Cream, Mari you have, then you can also have other bourbon you can have if you want, then those are confectionaries, there are chocolates you have, then after that Ashirwad Atta, where we have got a scheme for every purchase of 5 kgs of atta, you have got turmeric powder, 50 grams turmeric powder free of cost, which we are giving it to the customer.
In any product,
It's going like a hot cake. You can see that the books we have already sold. There's 2 to 3 copies are left. Here we can see the bingo is already sold. 1 minute, our customer is here.
जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Visibility factor. We have made sure that all the product lines are made visible to the customer so that they can go for most of the selling, high promotional selling.
Guys, we are already 5 of our products is already sold, and really it was a very good experience. Now after a few minutes the manager of this store will come.
Many people behind this.
Okay.
I am there, Rahul is there. We both went to Tata Motors for the sponsorship. Now Tata is the main sponsor of this event. Now after some time the head of Tata Motors, Mr. P.S. Guru, along with Mr. Dilip Chopra, who is looking after this segment, that is a cargo segment, they'll be coming, and till now they are very happy with the response of Tata Motors.
We know that.
Tata Motors is very happy with the response of the customer, the footfalls that is coming in, and today itself we have seen the sale of as many as 5 vehicles.
Okay.
So it's a tremendous response, and they're looking forward to sponsor the event next time again.
Okay, then the Rural Mela is a success, it's a great success. Okay, thank you, Dhruv.
Thank you.
It's fortunate that we organized this Grameen Fair Umang, and it's offering this local STD SMS all in 50 paisa. You can see this already in rush in the counter. A lot of the SIMs, the free SIMs has already been sold, and there are a lot of the Henses that has been sold so far. And it's very fortunate to have this Reliance as one of the sponsors. Most of the customers are from rural background, which they don't get enough opportunity to have as much as urban people. So it's an initiative by IMIS to take the Grameen Mela into the height of the success, and we believe that it may reach the rural masses, and in future will do better.
These things, and next year it will be again organized by some our juniors, and also we are doing very many nice things for rural people, not for us, for rural people we are doing, and also we are giving some discount.
This is our first time, but experience is like, and we are really very happy, and all are happy because it's obvious. We have done something which is not done in IMIS. We will forward it to our juniors and they will handle it. Hopefully we will continue it.
The crowd over there. Yesterday there was a huge.
Rima, not only sarees, how's your experience being the owner of this store?
We are the highest seller. कितना देंगे? Among all the stalls? And this is a wholesale store, and the quality of the cloth is also very good. So like the highest, and we are selling all the sarees and dress materials in the cost price only.
And Ipshita will sell, and I as usual will keep the account, so I'll get a finance job. So their load from 216 goes down to 250.
Part of from IMIS, and IMIS is arranging such thing, and I'm proud enough to be a part of such an event. And in the coming year, if IMIS is going to arrange such events, it is guaranteed that BigFM will be a partner to this, and we'll also try to rope in the other media partners.
All our collective effort that we have made this rural Mela a huge success. True. Few minutes before, the managers of PPL claimed that this is one of the best Melas they have ever seen, organized by the students, and furthermore they would like to participate in the coming year also. This is all fantastic. I would like to thank all of my classmates and all the marketing students, and especially to Professor Tanmay De, who had taken a great effort as well as risk in doing this Mela.
I think all the students, we as a team have done a great job at this point of time, when we needed effort from both the company side and from college side. We have got both of them. Now we have got a platform from our college where we can showcase our talents, and
this is a fantastic job that we have done with the help of our coordinator Tanmay De, and all the Ruma students, and with the help of all the all the big companies, and we have the fantastic job we have.